So what I have here is a Street Beat by Art+Sound. It's a Bluetooth and USB playback as well as an aux input. And the lights for the speakers can change many colors. And they say go with the beat, so. But yeah, so there it is. We got a nice picture on the side. Yippee. And it says the specs. Bluetooth range is 33 feet. The driver size is a 4-inch speaker, and there's 2 of them. Driver power, 5 watts times 2, so 10 watts. Your charge time, and your play time. As well as the audio inputs it does. The aux, the USB, and yes, it has a microphone too. So, here it is. And you got to hold it for a few seconds. And now it's ready to pair. I'll do a Bluetooth demonstration with my old phone, and I have not yet set it up with this phone. So, it'll take me a moment to find it. So let's search for devices. It should come up as the AR2050. There you go. And this big round button on the front is your volume. Now, let's quickly find another copyright. You know what? I'm actually going to play a song from the LEDs can rapidly go between the red, green, and blue and go along with the beat. Oh, you can see my reflection in this nice glossy plastic. There we go. Let's give it a moment. And because of Bluetooth, I can change it with the buttons on top. Now there is no pause button on it, so you'd actually have to do that with the device. So yeah, that's Bluetooth. I'm going to disconnect from that. And you can read music from the USB as well.
Now I know how to get down on the...
And the lights can be changed in color. So we got the rapid ones that go along with the beat, so they say. Then we have a steady red, a red that goes with the beat, steady green, and then of course green with the beat. Blue, blue with the beat. Then we got the cycle through all the colors. Or off. That's literally it. We got the power, the light cycle button, the back and forth, the aux, the DC 5 volt charging, and of course, the mic.
Yo, what's up?
And if you want to stop the music playback on this thing, well, you just gotta unplug it. And I don't have an aux cable at the moment. I should have one laying around here somewhere. Alright, so plugging that in, it says it overrides Bluetooth. So I'll plug it into the bottom of my old phone. This is the only thing I haven't tried yet since I bought this, is the aux. Oh yeah, I hear it. My phone volume isn't all the way up. There it goes. Yep. So the aux works just fine. And then it enables Bluetooth once you unplug the aux. So that's literally it. And yeah, so yep, that's the Art+Sound Streetbeat. And they say Streetbeat remix on it. So
Well, alrighty then. That takes care of that. Later.